Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your cell phone to your television. This method offers a direct and reliable way to display your phone's screen on a larger display. It ensures a stable, high-quality video and audio connection without relying on Wi-Fi networks or smart TV features. We will focus on using a physical cable connection, which is often the most straightforward and universally compatible approach for many devices. To begin, you will need a few key pieces of equipment. First, acquire a suitable adapter for your phone. This is typically a USB-C to HDMI adapter for Android phones or a Lightning to HDMI adapter for iPhones. Next, you will need a standard HDMI cable, ideally at least 6 feet in length, to connect the adapter to your television. Finally, ensure your television has an available HDMI input port. Connecting your devices is a simple, 3-step process. First, firmly plug the appropriate adapter into your cell phone's charging port. Next, take one end of your HDMI cable and connect it securely to the HDMI port on your adapter. Finally, insert the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI input port on your television. Make sure all connections are snug. Once everything is connected, turn on your television and use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input source. This will correspond to the port where you plugged in the HDMI cable. Almost instantly, your phone screen should mirror directly onto the television display. You can now enjoy your videos, photos, and applications on a much larger screen with clear picture and sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.